material falling into the sea very violently.
Creating these waves, energy booms, boom.
Yeah, generating multiple mega tsunamis, not only one.
That's like unbelievable. But were any of these tsunamis so big that they could have traveled 500 miles to Egypt? I can combine these data with the satellite image to see just how much material hit the water. These underwater mountains are all pyroclastic material from the eruption. EV calculates the total volume of 19 cubic miles of pyroclastic material entered the water. That's nearly 3 trillion cubic feet, hitting the sea at hundreds of miles an hour. Scientists believe this eruption would have caused a series of tsunamis. The biggest could have been 100 feet high. This monster wave would still have been 20 feet when it hit the coast of Egypt. We know from recent events just how destructive tsunamis can be. Coast of Egypt.
Going that way?
Wave could have traveled miles inland. The effects, they would have been devastating. It's incredible that a volcanic island in the Mediterranean could be the last piece of an ancient Egyptian puzzle.